We interrupt this program for an important...
Yow!
I need to know how to fix Xbox One network issues.
If the network problem is on the Xbox servers, the best way to find out is by checking the server via your PC.
And if I cannot get the internet to come up, then I know that the problem is my internet connection.
To be fair, your Xbox One network issues might be the equivalent of a traffic jam on your internet connection. Gaming uses a lot of bandwidth.
That's what Wi-Fi is for.
If someone is using Wi-Fi for something else, your connection could slow down to the point of timing out.
That's why I gave my Xbox One priority on the Wi-Fi router.
The best way to find out if it is the Microsoft servers is to hit the menu button on the controller, select Settings, and then pick Test Network Connection.
Then what happens?
If it connects, your connection problem is solved. If it is not, the Xbox One has a network connection troubleshooter to try to identify the cause.
I want a troubleshooting help. That's why I'm asking you.
If it gives a cannot connect to DHCP error during the network test, power cycle the Xbox One and the network hardware.
So restarting the console is not enough, I have to do the router and other peripherals too. What if it says the problem is the IP address?
Do a power cycle reset of the router, the model or the gateway, leaving it off for at least 5 minutes, so that the power dissipates. Then plug everything in, let the router lights return to normal, and test the connection.
What else could I do?
Switch from Wi-Fi connections to a wired connection, just in case the problem is your Wi-Fi.
I've already tried the wired connection.
So try the cable in a different network port. Or plug in the Xbox One directly to the modem with the same cable you usually connect to the router. Power cycle it, and see if it works.
And then test the connection.
If it connects then you know that the problem is the router that you just bypassed.
I'd rather bypass all the hardware connection tests.
If you get an MTU error when you try to connect to Xbox Live, and you've made any network changes lately, select to restore it to the network factory defaults.
That's under the Settings, System Settings menu.
Right, after you go to Network Settings and pick the network name. Oh, and when you're there, make sure if you want to play via Wi-Fi that it is looking at the wireless network.
Or make sure it sees my network in the list, in the first place.